Hi friends, good afternoon. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will discuss about the output statements in C++, right? We will discuss the output statement in C++, like how to print the output in C++. So let's not waste the time. Let's get into the class. So first of all, you have to open a new empty file, right? And just save it in the C++ programs folder, and the folder name is output statements dot cpp, right? And save it. So first of all, you have to write hash include input output string, right? And using namespace std, right? And you have to open the int main here, right? Main here, right? So here, so what is the statement? We have to use cout, right? To print the output, right? And the less than, two less than symbols, right? And after that, you have to open the double quotes and you have to type your statement, like printing the output statements in statements in statements in C++, right? C++. And after that, you have to return a 0, right? You have to return 0. And after writing this program, just click on this run button and it will ask to build it. Then click on as here. Then it will be builded and you can see the output here. Right. See, we got the printing the output statements in the C++, right? So if you want to exit this box, just click on enter. Then it will be, the output will be gone, right? So likewise we can print another output also by using cout and two less than symbols and open the double quotes and write second statements C++. Save it and just click on F5 or click on run box. Save it and build and run it. Yeah, we got an error. So now just build it. Yeah, just build it and just run it. See, we got print the output statement in C++ and second statement in C++. So it is on the same line, right? It is on the same line. So I don't want in the same line. So what you have to write? You have to write another less than two symbols and you have to open the double quotes and you have to write slash in here. You have to open the slash in here, right? And save it and just build it again, or you can run it again. Yeah. Click on enter here, right? Now click on run button here. So click on enter and first we have to build it, right? You have to build it. See, it is built and now click on enter. See, it is on the second line. It is on the second line, right? It is on the second line. So in this way, you can print the outputs in C++ by using cout. By using cout, right? If you want another space, you have to just write /n and save it. And after that, you have to just click on enter, enter. And after that, you have to debug. Okay, like you have to build it again. And after that, you have to click on this run button. See, we got some space here, right? We got some space here. Why? Because we have used /n. So that's why it is printing after 2 lines. So this is how we can print the outputs in the C++, right? And so that's it, friends. And if you have any doubts in this class, just please comment in the chat and I will definitely help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, then please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please do subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.